in this tutorial, I just want to show you what I have before we sew it. So we've pinned this side and everything is on the bottom, like you pin it towards the bottom. So you just want everything, just those two seams matching up on the main and the lining. And then on the other side, we want the same thing. So here is the main and the lining, and everything, do you see inside there? You can see everything's pointing down. So when we start to sew, we're going to match up with the beginning of the seam with that end of the seam right there. So we're just going to put our needle in that place right there and join it, kind of like joining them. And let's see here. Let me take out this pin. I like to back stitch right there. When I first start, it's just to secure that stitch. And then you'll want to use a 1/2 inch seam allowance all the way around. So when we turn that corner, just make sure that it's 1/2 inch, and just sew around the neckline. So now we're at the other side of the opening. As you can see, we've sewn around the neckline there. And as we're coming down, again, we want to make sure that all this fabric is pointing down in the down direction. So as you can see, let's see here, let me get this. Okay, that is pointing down, and then this is pointing down. So you're only seaming the lining and the main, and you're going to stop right at that stitch like before when we began. And of course I back stitched there.